Hi, Glenn Wall here from the support team with a short walkthrough for submitting a support ticket. When in need of technical assistance, this is one of the main avenues you can use to reach out to us. Also, feel free to give us a call at 864-643-5045 if you require more immediate assistance. First, we'll start with opening a browser. Your browser's fine. We'll be using Edge today. Once your browser is open, navigate to www.getcleartouch.com. Once the web page is loaded, we'll navigate to and place our mouse over the support section near the top, and then click on Submit Support Ticket. This is the ticket submission page. You'll notice that some fields are marked with red and some are not. Those with red are mandatory and must have something in the field before the ticket will be accepted into the system. Going down, we have contact name, your email address, phone number, secondary contact information in case we can't get a hold of the initial, the school or business name. You can include the room number if you'd like. This is the addressing information. And here we come to the subject and the description of the ticket. On the description, we would just ask that you be as detailed as possible. Give us as much information as you possibly can, and always feel free to include pictures or videos of what's going on. If you go down to the bottom of the page, there's an attachments link down here. You can click on this and browse locally on your computer and attach videos or pictures. Below the description, we have your product information. It's going to be the type of panel that you have. You can place the serial number in here. And as in text right here, you can include a picture of the sticker that's on the back of the panel with the serial number. The sticker is located on the back of the panel. Here's your computer type, either none, internal, or external. Your operating system, version of Windows, or if you're using a Mac device. Here we have the DOA field. Now, all this means is, did you receive the product in non-working order? Did it arrive dead? If so, select yes. Your priority type. Here we have the purchase order field. This is if you're submitting a licensing request. We just need some form of verification on purchase. And last, we have a capture field just to verify that you're not a robot submitting a ticket. Now, after filling everything in, go back, double check that you have all pertinent information for the ticket, and then click Submit. After submitting the ticket, you'll receive an email verifying the creation of your ticket, and an agent will be in touch with you within 24 hours. Generally, the tickets are answered much faster than 24 hours, but we do guarantee a 24-hour turnaround time. Please be sure to check your inbox and also check your spam folders as well, because the emails can be relegated to the spam folder by mistake. In closing, I'd just like to thank you for your time viewing this video and your business.